Welcome to Hired in IT. Our mission is simple: help you build the skills that employers actually want. Whether you're trying to land your first IT job, switch careers, earn a promotion, or increase your salary, we're here to help. Every video is thoroughly researched and designed to make complex IT topics easy to understand. If there's an IT topic you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. We may turn your suggestion into our next video. Turning IT knowledge into career opportunities. A marketing intern clicks a link in a phishing email. The attacker slips onto her laptop. The company's firewall didn't stop it. She was already inside the VPN. Within 48 hours, they've moved laterally, hit the customer database, and stolen every record. The network perimeter was supposed to protect them. It didn't. That's exactly the problem Zero Trust solves. Welcome back to the IT Fundamentals Masterclass. Last time, we covered least privilege. Today, we're taking it further with Zero Trust, the security model that says, trust nothing, verify everything. By the end of this video, you'll be able to define Zero Trust and the key shift it represents. Understand how continuous verification stops attackers from moving sideways inside your network. Watch me set up a real Zero Trust access policy in Cloudflare and walk away with concrete first steps to start zero trusting your own environment. Traditional network security works like a castle and moat. Put up a firewall, connect everyone through a VPN, and assume anyone inside the walls is safe. The problem? Attackers will eventually get inside. Once they do, they can move laterally, hopping from one system to another, because the network itself trusts them. That's why lateral movement is such a common and dangerous tactic in modern breaches. The perimeter isn't a hard shell anymore. It's a cracked egg. Zero Trust flips that model completely. The core idea, coined by analyst John Kindervag in 2010, is never trust, always verify. There is no implicit trust based on network location. Every access request, from a user, a device, an application, must be authenticated, authorized, and continuously validated, even if you're sitting inside the headquarters on the corporate Wi-Fi. It's not a product you buy, it's a security strategy. Core principle, checkpoint. Imagine your laptop sends a request to a file server. A gateway, the policy enforcement point, intercepts it and asks the policy decision point, the identity provider, whether you're authorized and your device is healthy. That's Zero Trust in action. The policy decision point checks your identity, device health, and other context, sometimes pulling additional data from policy information points. If everything checks out, access is granted. And this verification happens for every connection, every time. No cached trust. Time to lock it in. A developer connects from a coffee shop. In a Zero Trust architecture, what must happen before they can access the company's code repository? And as a bonus from our CIA Triad episode, quick reminder: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Which pillar is broken if an attacker changes a patient's blood type record without authorization? Pause if you need a moment, and we'll walk through the answer. Here's what nobody tells you. Zero Trust skill is a six-figure accelerator. While a mid-career security analyst might earn around $90,000, a Zero Trust architect responsible for designing enterprise-wide strategies commands a salary range of $185,000 to $250,000 a year, with top earners reaching even higher. Every federal agency has a Zero Trust mandate, and every cloud transformation needs it. It's not just a buzzword, it's a career-defining specialization. So where do you start? The CISA Zero Trust Maturity Model outlines a practical path. First, identify your protect surfaces, the data, applications, and assets that matter most. Map how data flows between them. Then develop a micro-segmented architecture. Deploy a zero-trust network access solution to replace your VPN and enforce device posture checks. Finally, set up continuous monitoring so you never lose visibility. It's a journey, not a switch flip. Let's see this in action. I'm inside the Cloudflare Zero Trust dashboard. I'll add a self-hosted application, let's say an internal Git server. I give it a subdomain. Then I create an access policy that requires the user's email domain to match our company and enforces a device posture check, meaning only managed, healthy laptops can reach this app. No VPN needed. Every connection gets evaluated fresh, and a single policy enforces identity, device, and context all at once. Under the hood, that policy is just JSON. This snippet says, allow access only if the user's email belongs to company.com, and the device passes a posture check, things like OS version, disk encryption, and firewall status. It's the exact same logic you saw in the dashboard. Zero trust doesn't have to be mysterious, it's just rules that enforce never trust, always verify, on every request. Architecture components, checkpoint. Zero Trust's strongest pillar is strong identity verification, and that's exactly what we're covering next. In the next video, we'll break down multi-factor authentication, one of the most effective measures against automated attacks and a cornerstone of identity-centric security. See you there. Remember, careers aren't built by watching videos, they're built by applying what you learn. Pick one thing from today's lesson, build it, document it, and share it. That's how you get hired. Thanks for watching Hired in IT, where we're turning IT knowledge into career opportunities.